Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial how to make a background. So we have these default backgrounds in Scratch. You can see we have the white background, and if you want to make a background, you can click on the backdrop and you can choose your background here, like we use the indoors or outdoors. Click to set into your scan. If you want to create by using pen, you can go back again to backdrop and then choose the pen. Now in here, like I will create with the rectangles for the backdrop. Okay, you can set for the color. Create again at this point. You can also add for the text and another object. Okay, if you done, you can go to the code tab. Now in the backdrop, we have three options. This is the default, and this is the second. You can select the backdrop, and this is the third by using the pen. If you want to delete, you can click the icon here to delete the backdrop. Okay, that's it for basic Scratch Meet Edu tutorial how to make a background.